In this training video, we'll be going over daily logs. So as you can see, at the moment we're in call report, but I'm wanting to see what's in the daily log. So you would just simply click on this button right there, daily log. And as you can see, whatever notes were typed in on any form automatically came over. So you're going to see the date and the time, and then who was it? In this case, we're admin, so if it was Joan Carson, it would come here. Whoever it is, it would say the name, and then it's a daily log. So this is a new note that was created. If you want to add a log just on the run, anytime you want to add a note, something about the job, just go to daily log, and you could literally type in a note anytime you want. These other two, you can see, again, the date that the note was typed, the time, who it was, and then it came from the antimicrobial form, okay? So you know that this note, plant-based, used for the kitchen, came from the antimicrobial. And then you know that this note came from the work authorization form, arrived at job on Thursday. So, for example, on the antimicrobial, you would go to antimicrobial and let's confirm it. Well, yes, we did type in a note right there. And that's every type of note box on any of the forms is going to translate to the daily log. So again, this is antimicrobial. This is your note box, okay? And then your notes are automatically shown through the daily log. So it's fantastic. You can print this form out if you want to. Very, very important. So to review, all your forms where you use a note will come under the daily log by accessing it right here on that button. And again, let's say you want to do a new log. Anytime you want, click on there and type your note. Okay, it's just that easy. So you'd click in there, you type it in there, and then click right there, OK, and it just popped in. See, it showed the time, it showed the date, it showed the time, who it was, and then that it's the daily log. See, there's the note. Okay, so that's how you would access your daily log. It's very easy, and as I said earlier, it is printable. To your success, and thank you for watching.